Welcome to today's episode on Ajay Mani Guru. As your reliable guide to the commodities market, we're diving into the latest developments surrounding Malaysian palm oil, focusing on its recent market behavior and the various factors influencing its performance. This Monday marked a downturn for Malaysian palm oil futures, primarily driven by a decrease in export demand and a challenging competition from other vegetable oils. Notably, palm oil has been trading at a higher price compared to its competitors, which, along with uncertainties around Indonesia's B40 biodiesel policy, has dampened the overall market sentiment. Despite these challenges, some support was seen from an uptick in soy oil prices on the Chicago Board of Trade, which helped prevent a more significant drop in palm oil prices. The trading session closed with the benchmark March contract on the Bursa Malaysia Derivatives Exchange at 4,342 Malaysian ringgit per ton, showing a decrease of 26 Malaysian ringgit. Export figures for Malaysian palm oil products also reflected a downturn, with a decrease noted between 2.5% and 7.8% in December, according to the latest data from Intertek Testing Services and AM Spec Agri Malaysia. A primary concern for the market has been the weak demand from major importers such as India, where palm oil imports have fallen to a 9-month low due to high prices that soared to a 2.5-year high. This situation has prompted Indian refiners to switch to alternatives like soy oil, which has been more competitively priced and thus a more economical option. Moreover, the market remains on edge due to uncertainties surrounding the implementation of Indonesia's ambitious B40 biodiesel program, which is expected to significantly impact palm oil demand. Additionally, the global palm oil market is watching closely for potential shifts in US biodiesel policies under the leadership of President Trump, which could further affect global demand dynamics. On the other side, soy oil prices have shown some resilience. The Chicago Board of Trade reported a rise in soy oil prices, with the March contract climbing by 0.70 cents to 40.63 cents per pound. This increase has provided a cushion for palm oil prices, although the competition from soy oil remains a persistent challenge for the palm oil market. Today's discussion sheds light on the complexities of the Malaysian palm oil market, influenced by both internal market dynamics and external economic and policy factors. As we continue to track these developments, stay connected with Ajay Mani Guru for more insightful analyses and updates. Thank you for joining us today, and make sure to subscribe for more expert commodity insights.